Hello everyone! Today I've got an exhilarating update for all you Ajith fans out there, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. So what's the big news? Ajith is back and he's hitting the ground running, quite literally, in Hyderabad for his latest movie Good Bad Ugly. Directed by Ajith Ravichandran, known for Mark Antony, this film is shaping up to be nothing short of spectacular. And guess what? The first look poster has just been unveiled, and it's absolutely jaw-dropping. Ajith appears in a triple avatar, each reflecting the essence of the movie's title, Good, Bad and Ugly. He's surrounded by an arsenal of weapons, setting the stage for what seems like an epic narrative. Now here's the kicker. Ajith is not just acting, he's performing his own stunts. That's right, no stunt doubles. The sequences are high-octane and promise to keep you on the edge of your seat. The dedication to authenticity and thrill is clear, and it speaks volumes about Ajith's commitment to his role. The pace on set is fast, and everyone is working hard to meet a Pongal 2025 release. And with music by the rock star Devi Sri Prasad, we're all in for a treat. Details about the female lead and other cast members are still under wraps, but stay tuned, I'll keep you posted as soon as more information comes out. So Ajith fans, gear up for a movie that promises action, drama, and some serious Ajith magic. Good Bad Ugly is on its way to becoming a blockbuster. Keep your eyes peeled for more updates, and let me know in the comments below what you think about this exciting reveal. Until next time, keep the hype going, and remember, the magic of cinema is just a play button away. See you at the movies.